right. I guess this is on delay. Figure out this live stream right now. Been working on it all day. Trying to get it up and going. Hey, Peter. Hey, Lord. Alan. Everything working okay? Can you hear me okay? I don't know if you guys can hear me. I've been working on this all day trying to figure it out. Oh, yes, good. All right. All right, we're up and we're running. Hey, Greg. Oh, good. That's good. Yeah, I've been working on this. Downloaded, what is it, OBS Studio? That's the program I'm using. I've figured it out, playing with it all day, and I guess it's working now. I had a problem at first with an echo, so I figured out how to work that. I just YouTube everything to figure out how to run it. Yeah, we're at the store right now. It's evening time here. Camera there. Yeah, you can see what's going on. But yeah, I got a little bit of wind noise because I have the fan going on behind me. Tomorrow I'm going to switch over. I got a headphone that I'm going to pick up, and I'm using an old camera, web camera here. So tomorrow I'll switch over to the headphones. Voice should be a lot clearer. Live from the Sorry store. Hey, Ren, how you doing? Hope you guys can hear them or not, how well it's picking up. Good. Customers today, all day. Around this time, things start slowing down. You know what, Peter? Business is quite good. Got regular customers not coming in. Same faces. Business. Tang. Tang. What is you tang? Hey, David. Hey, good evening, morning, whatever it is. Oh, my voice is jumping around. Yeah, I was saying I gotta get I'm gonna hook my other microphone, old microphone webcam. Bought how many years ago? And I got a iPhone, maybe get a new webcam. And how's this picture look? Does it look clear, grainy, or how's it look to you guys? Hey Rick, sorry if I'm butchering your name, but yes, I do have a drone. I bought it, flew it around for a while, with the store and everything like that. It's kind of on the back burner now, but I will be getting it out. And aloha, Ronald. Eduardo. Sorry if I'm butchering it. Like staying in the Philippines. Yeah, it's not like staying. It does have its challenges some days, but the longer you stay, the more you get used to it. But yes, I enjoy it. Hey, Riff, I have the Mavic Pro, DJI Mavic Pro. Picked it up down in Manila. Thanks, friends. Friend says, greet Belgium, and the video. Doug, we're all doing good here. Hanging out. Actually cooking dinner right now. We're having chicken and rice, and I'm having French fries. Not a rice person. I like garlic rice, but regular plain rice, I gotta add some flavor to it. So. Ronald, you can stop by anytime. Stop by in July. July's my birthday. Yeah, you guys are more than welcome to stop by. Anybody's welcome to stop by anytime. Moving to Bacol, February 25th. Doug, I've never been to Bacol. What is my favorite Filipino food? Sisig and of course lechon baboy. Lechon baboy is the best. Morning, Philip Traveler from Ohio. Great shot. From Birmingham, England. Hello, Lord. Hey, Bruce. Buddy. Yeah, I wanted to do live stream here. You know, not like you, I don't roam around and check on the internet that way. We're at the store now, so we're connected right here to the internet. And I don't know, probably do a couple live streams a week. We'll see how things go. Okay. 3 p.m. here. Time that we close our store up at night? Usually around 9 o'clock. Start shutting everything up. It kind of gets dead around here around 9. Don't usually. I mean, we have to get up in the morning at 5 o'clock. It kind of grades to school, so we're out of here by 9 o'clock. Get home. Traffic's not bad going home, so we're home and like. Even when we get home, we're still not going to bed. We've got other things to do, so we're in bed 10:30, 11 o'clock, up at 5 a.m. Little boy here, he's one of our regular customers. Every day, all day long, get candy. We got regular candy customers for the show. Yeah, long day. The car repair guy stopped by the other day. And, I got one quote, but he was high. I thought the quote I got was high because when I walk in, I automatically price. So I got another guy I'm going to go with. Actually, the first guy that hit my car has a guy who does body work, so I'm going to go down and talk to him. Yeah, the guy stopped by the other day, asked me if I got any quotes yet, and I told him I wanted to get a few more, so I'll get that next week. And I'm actually going to be out of town for a couple of weeks, so I'll get with the guy. I mean, the guy's a nice guy. He stopped, to check and see how things are. So I don't think it's me. Yeah, looks always tired. It's up early too. Because I bought that step stool and it's upstairs. We don't even use it. We use the chairs here to get up and get things. All right, guys, you know what? I just wanted to do a quick test run. When I do go live, put it out there in advance so you guys know that day. But I just wanted to do a quick test run. Thanks for coming in and checking it out. I did it. I gotta try to upload it on YouTube and see how long that's going to take. So, anyways, I got 30 guys. I got 30 guys watching, so that's a good start. But, anyways, you know what? Once again, thanks a lot. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Channel wouldn't be anything without you. All right, guys. Mars of your journey. I'm going to see you.